Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you effect of water activity on food constituents such as lipids, proteins and vitamins. Then subject name is principles of food preservation and discipline is food and biotechnology. First of all, the importance of water activity in the food systems cannot be overemphasized. Throughout the history, water activity in food has been controlled by drying, addition of sugar or salt and freezing. These are the methods by which you can control the water activity in the food. These methods basically prevent spoilage and maintain food quality. And water activity is defined as the ratio of the partial vapor pressure of water in equilibrium with a food to the partial saturation vapor pressure of the water vapor in air at the same temperature. This is equal to the relative humidity of air in equilibrium with the food. The water activity of food describes the energy state of water in the food and hence its potential to act as a solvent and participate in chemical, biochemical reactions and growth of microorganisms. It is an important property that is used to predict the stability and safety of food with respect to microbial growth, rates of deteriorative reactions, physical and chemical properties. Throughout the history, man has controlled the water activity of food through drying, addition of salt or sugar, freezing, such as the food becomes stable to the microbial and chemical deterioration. Food manufacturers today have the same goal of making a stable and the safe product. This means that the products must be wholesome and not endanger the health of the consumer with microorganisms or their toxins. The advantage today is in the knowledge and understanding of the importance of water activity in controlling microbial growth and thus upon the shelf life of the food safety. Then what are the application of water activity? Water activity is useful in predicting food safety and stability with respect to the microbial growth, chemical or biological reaction rates and physical properties. By measuring and controlling the water activity of the foodstuffs, it is possible to predict which microorganisms will be potential sources of spoilage and infection, and it maintains the chemical stability of the foods, minimize the non-enzymatic browning reaction, and spontaneous autocatalytic lipid oxidation reactions and prolong the activity of enzymes and vitamins in food and optimize the physical properties of food such as texture and shelf life. If water retain moisture from the atmosphere, the texture of the food product losses and shelf life deteriorates. Thank you. If you have any issue, then please comment in the comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.